Hey everybody, today we are going to be talking about the InvisibleShield glass curve impact and scratch resistant screen protector for the Galaxy Note 8. It is made by Zagg, and one of the good things that I like about this screen protector is that it has a limited lifetime warranty, which means that as long as you own your device, they will replace it if you lose it, break it, scratch it. Even if you shatter it, completely covered. All you have to do is just call them, and actually you will send them an email once you register your device, and they will send you the new one. So that's exactly what has happened here with this one. I had gotten this Note 8 about 4 months ago, I think it is now. After about 2 months, I noticed that the screen protector actually had shattered, and I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with that, and then I remembered that Zagg actually had the lifetime warranty. So what I did was I went back to when I had registered, and I let them know, and I told them what had happened, and they sent one out, and it got here in about 4 days, and I was able to put it on, and the snap. So like I said, one of those things as far as them sending it to you, it's like fresh. It's like right off the market, and I don't know of any other ones that do that. I'm pretty sure that there are others that do that, but with this expensive phone, you don't want to have that screen break on you, because then you're talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get that replaced. Now, one of the things that I like about this is that it is curved, and that the Note 8 is curved, and so it actually rides along the seam. Instead of the screen just sitting right on top and being just a square, it actually curves with the phone because everything is here, and applications are on both sides of your phone. One of the other things that I liked about it is that it came with this easy lineup. Like I said, I've already put this one on, and it came up with this easy lineup here. And so basically what you would do is, if you didn't have a screen protector on here, you would take this tray that they send you and you pop it right on just like that. And then after you clean it, they send you all of this stuff actually. After you clean it, you go through and you get everything off the screen, and then you take the adhesive off of the actual glass. Now this was the old one here, so as you can see, this one was broken. I don't even know how I broke it, because it was just in my pocket. I didn't drop it or anything. So this is the old one, and it protected this screen. Sent in my information for it. They sent me this new one with this tray, and what I do want you to do though is send it back, broken piece. So they want you to send a broken piece back within, I think it's 60 days. They said, yeah, 60 days, and then you're good to go. And then the new one is going to be at that limited lifetime warranty, which is as long as you own your phone, then that's the one that they are going to cover. So basically you would, let's say this is the new one and I was putting it on, you just stick it right on just like that. And these guides right here, basically helps you with that curve, because the phone is curved, the screen is curved, and so it's a kind of a no-brainer as far as putting it on. And this protector, it actually didn't mess up any of my connectivity. It didn't mess up any of my sensitivity to the actual phone itself. And yeah, so it was easy. It was a snap. I'm glad that it has a lifetime warranty, because like I said, I don't know how this one broke at all. I like literally just pulled it out of my pocket, and I had this little one right here. Can you see that? It was like this little one right here, and then after a few days it spread all over the place. So thus far, so far so good with this one. It says that it's smudge free, but you can see that it still leaves smudges, but nothing that you can't just clean off, and then you are good to go. But they just come, especially with the touch screen like that, it just happens. And yeah, so I'm going to show you real quick how it looks through the screen. It doesn't change anything on here as far as like the way it looks. It doesn't change anything as far as like if it's too dark or anything like that. And yeah, I love it a lot. I'm glad that I did go that option. I did see some other options for much lower price, but they did not have the lifetime warranty, which is one of the selling points for me, which is one of the things that I actually liked a lot about that. So like I was saying before, the sensitivity is there, and as you can see how it just moves, and everything is good to go with it. So you can just pull it across and you're good. And the sensitivity is perfect. It doesn't cause anything. I actually played with it without the screen protector on it, and I liked it a lot. And I mean, I liked it just as much with the screen protector as without, but you get peace of mind that if it breaks, then it's covered. So there you have it. The Zagg, Z-A-G-G, InvisibleShield glass curved screen protector for the Galaxy Note 8. Good purchase. I recommend it. I like it.